Fun with colors! Hello friends! Today let's learn how to draw a horse. These are the two ears. Do you like animals? Now let's draw the four legs. Do you know where does horses live? They live in stables. Now let's draw the hair. This is the big long tail. Let's draw the eyes. It's ready. Let's color with fun with colors. Can you tell me which color is this? Yes, this is brown color. Horses are herbivores. That means they are plant eaters. Subscribe to the channel for more drawing and coloring videos. If you wish to color the same image of horse, you can go on the description box, click on the link and download the image. Do you know horses can sleep both ways, lying down and standing up? Isn't it interesting? Do you know what does horses eat? The horse eats grass. Do you know a female horse is called a mare and a male horse is called a stallion? It's ready.